Welcome to this tutorial where I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Jira Action Automation for workflows. Once you navigate to your account, search for App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and navigate to Allow and Install. Ignore this tab, refresh your page, and you head down to the custom page, click on it, and the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation. In this documentation, everything you need to get started with this app is right here. You have the tutorial video and the walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up here, no worries. Let's walk you through how to set up this app. Head to the account which we've created online, click on your profile, and you click on Profile again. Then click on Manage your account and click on Security. Scroll down over here and click on Create and Manage API Tokens. Then you click on Create API Token, you give a name, and you click on Create. Copy your token and you click on Done. You head back to your account, click on Start Setup, and you paste the token. Click on the product settings and copy the domain. Head back to your account and paste the domain right over here. Enter your email address and click on Complete Setup. There you go, your app has been successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a call with the team. We have the changelog feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've now learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.